Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 Fiance visas processed out of the Kingdom of Thailand through the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok. And the reason for the video is, fortunately, we are starting to see things thaw out a lot in the U.S. immigration system. We're starting to see cases proceed ahead at a much more vigorous pace than what we were seeing even a few weeks ago. So this is good news overall. So hopefully we'll start seeing K-1s moving through a little bit more quickly than they were. Now, to the embassy's credit, and just credit where credit is due, K-1 visas were moving more quickly than immigrant spouse visas. Immigrant spouse visas, I'm going to make another video on this channel specific to those type of visas, but long story short, those were moving and still are moving more slowly, in my opinion, compared to the K-1, although they're moving faster than they were. Back to the K-1, yeah, we're starting to see this kind of thaw, this post-COVID bureaucratic, the gears are starting to move again in more the fashion we're used to them. Now that said, I always find there's issues when there's any gap in processing. And it's been my experience, for example, holidays will do this. You know, the December holidays, for example, essentially the latter half of December, the U.S. Embassy here closes down. So, you know, you get into mid to late December and you just kind of throw your hands up and wait around till first business day of January before you start seeing much happening. Kind of similar here with COVID, I think, where this has ended, or ending, and we're now kind of getting back into the groove. It's going to take just a little while, I think, for some of the hitches to move out, for the process to get as smooth as we were used to prior to 2 years ago. Hopefully that will happen sooner rather than later.